Previously, on the captain's shorts. The customer states that their dishwasher started leaking.
So we're going to check that out. It appears that a rat has chewed into it to show you the difference between the old component and the new one. Calm down, ladies. It's not that kind of show. I'm Captain Save-A-Home.
And I am Janice.
This is Wasco, California. We got a call from a customer saying that their wall oven doesn't work, and we're going to find out why.
Turn the power off at the breaker that controls the wall oven, open the oven door, and remove the 3 screws that hold the panel in place. Push the panel up from the bottom and pull the panel out from the top.
Remove the 4 screws that mount the control board to the control panel and disconnect the ribbon from the control board. There's a little tab that actually lifts up. So you want to lift that tab and the ribbon should pop right out.
The cause of the malfunctioning control panel was detected quickly. The ribbon connecting the control panel to the control board had been chewed through, more than likely caused by the same rodent that damaged the dishwasher.
We were able to get the new control panel online through a Appliance part service. Unfortunately, it ended up taking about a week and a half to 2 weeks to actually get to us. So keep that in mind if you decide to take on this project. But with the item in hand, we're now able to put everything back together. First thing you want to do is to line up the control board on the control panel and put a couple of screws in it, one on each opposing corner. Then you'll be able to at least mount the ribbon the same way that you took it out, pull the little tab, and you push the ribbon into the slot where that tab is, and then push the tab back in, and it secures the ribbon.
Install the remaining 2 screws and ensure that all 4 screws are tight.
Make sure the tabs on the oven body are pried out just slightly, so that way the bolts on the control panel can catch those tabs as you're putting the panel back in place.
Turn the power supply for the oven back on and check to make sure the panel responds. Attempting to program the clock is the first step to test the panel. Press the clock button and follow the prompts on the screen to proceed. If the panel responds while programming the clock, press the oven light button to see if the light comes on inside. Next, attempt to preheat the oven to check for oven heat control. Return 2 or 3 minutes later to see if the oven is warmer.
If the oven seems warmer on the inside, guess what? You have a fully functioning control panel now. We can now secure the panel using the 3 screws that we took out from the beginning, and you should be good to go.
If what you saw was helpful, intriguing, or Wait, what happened? Are we not doing our thing anymore?
Wait, what thing?
The end credits. Did we go through our budget already?
What budget? We don't have a budget.
How have we been able to function for this long? Who do we talk to get a budget?
Well, we have to depend on the viewers.
Are you saying that we are similar to a show on PBS?
Actually, that's probably a pretty good analogy.
I am familiar with those fuzzy puppets. It was the first broadcast that I tapped into.